Hi, I'm Alexis. I am the Lady Misfit. I am a PhD student in math at Rice University, and I'm from Houston, Texas. This weekend we're at Fittest Games! I started CrossFit my senior year of college. I had done gymnastics through high school and went to college, decided I didn't want to do any form of exercise whatsoever. My sophomore year, I think I went to the gym once after all-you-can-eat pasta day. So then I got pretty obsessed with being healthy and eating well, and I got super skinny, unhealthily skinny. I got down to like 88 pounds. Senior year of college, a friend introduced me to CrossFit. I tried it out with my family. I absolutely loved it. I found a gym near my college. I went like once a week, twice a week, but I always wanted to be there a lot longer than I could because I didn't have enough energy. I wasn't eating well enough. And so January 2013, I started CrossFitting for real. I made a life change. I decided I wanted to start eating healthy. I wanted to get good at CrossFit. I didn't know I was gonna be competitive at the time. I just spent a lot of hours in the gym because I absolutely loved it. And honestly, I couldn't tell you the moment where I was like, I wanna be competitive. I made regionals in 2013, or 2014, sorry, and it was a complete surprise to me. I went into the open wanting to like, oh, this is fun. And then I ended up in 12th or 13th going into regionals, and I was like, holy crap, maybe I can actually compete at this stuff? I'd done like one competition for fun locally before that. 2015 regionals is a bit of a sore spot. I had a lot of hopes going in, but hopes didn't match up with confidence. When I remember going out in my first heat, I was seated second, so I was between Camille and Margot, and I went out thinking, wow, they're really good. I'll get to watch them finish, and I'll just try to finish not too far behind them. That's not the right mentality for someone who wants to make the games. I did well in all my events, but I didn't do as well as I should have because I didn't have the confidence. And then after this handstand walk event, I had some misfortune. I felt that I'd been no-repped a lot when it wasn't deserved. I got angry at a judge. That's something you should never do, and you should never lose your cool, because what happened after that is I missed all of my snatches. I remember taking one, and I think I took 4 attempts. And so I had a 0. I ended up finishing 11th at that regional. I haven't watched any video from it. I don't want to. I'm gonna be a new athlete this year going into regionals. I'm gonna be confident. I'm ready to be there. I'm ready for it to come up, so. I knew who I was as an athlete, but I was probably too worried that everyone else was better than me and everyone else was doing something else, that I was missing something. And there were movements that I just didn't feel confident with. And you can't go to regionals feeling like, I don't want this to come up. You have to feel completely confident in every movement that might show up to think you're gonna make it. So, and that's how I feel this year. Anything can show up, and I'm gonna give it all I got, and I'm confident that what I have is good enough. The difference between 2015 Alexis and 2016 Alexis is that I feel like I belong. I'm not nervous when I go out to compete. I'm excited to go out there and show everyone what I can do.
A message for the other female competitors in 2016?
Oh, they'll see. They know it's coming. They'll see what's coming if they don't know it's coming.